All right, so I'll show you some of the interior. Here obviously is the pop top, got the doors open. This door handle here is broken. So I just used a little pair of pliers and turned it down and it opens right up. This is the original sink. Here, let me move that out of the way. The original sink folds over. This is the inlet hose. So if you want to fill your water tank, that's the inlet hose. This is the other little seat here. Table that folds up is right there. It's in condition, working condition. Right here, Westfalia. It's got the number on it. Seat cushions need to be redone. This canvas up top is obviously been replaced. This is not original, I can guarantee it. Zippers are way too nice. This is all in excellent condition. So here's your other cover right here. More fabric for your cover, also for your tent. Closet. You can see fender wells are in great shape. All the metal there is good. All the metal here is good. I mean, it's, you know, not cancerous rust. It's just rust on the floor, but nothing in here is deteriorating as we speak. I will show you the front floor here. Passenger seat. Let me put my foot here and hold it. There is a hole right there, so you can see through that. So the passenger floor needs to be replaced. The previous owners just kind of bent up a license plate so your feet don't go through it right there. This is all super solid. The dash or the front of the bus, headlight buckets. The thing runs great, shifts great. The guy I got it from drove it down from Colorado about 60 miles to get to me. Had no problems at all. Drove early in the morning before it got hot. And driver's floor, same thing. So you got another license plate here that's been bent to cover that floorboard. So these obviously are the problems up front. Pretty common on these Volkswagens. Other than that, I'll kind of lay underneath it here and show you. This is the underside of it. And you have, this is an undercoating. Look, let me show you. This is a factory original undercoating that's just sort of peeling away. You have no deterioration in the metal under here. So these floors and the body are in really good shape. Obviously, spent a little time camping, which is what you would expect. And in my previous video, you probably saw, here's a table that goes, another flip-up table. These are parts and pieces. The tent, another piece of trim there. These are the original window coverings that are in here. Okay, just a nice little video. Close this door. Let me close this door again. There we go.